So now actually we'll be actually testing. So go to the user. Go to the user. Yep. So of course, the e-commerce application, you have to go over, your action item will be go over each of the user story, and then you try to understand the manually. But if we want to sign up in the e-commerce platform, there are 3 fields we have to pass. One is email, another is name, another is password to create a sign up. But remember, there is something you have to do. What is this? For the sign up, if you just sign up, it will not work, because I want to verify you are the only user. You actually own the email, because otherwise everybody will sign up with the fake email. So now my company's goal is not to verify somebody's email ID. That's the where Mr. Kazi Atipanwar question goes. I am actually using the third-party API, which is the B2B SendGrid. So all our API, all our email, right? You see the text message, we are using third-party API. Your monthly report, you log out from the platform, you sign up OTP, password reset OTP, and then you're like the enrollment OTP, enrollment email, all of the email, we are using the third-party API, and that company name is SendGrid. Our backend and SendGrid backend is connected. That's the reason we are using the API to provide all the email service. Okay, let's do this. So on this, so we need the test data. So the best practice of the test data, they will show you. You can manage it in Excel, or you can manage it Word document, right? So let's check any email. You need to have a valid email address. That email you have not used yet to create an account on the e-commerce application. You should not be able to log in with existing email address. Can you? Can you log in? Can you log in with the Facebook or any application with the same email ID? What it will say? User exists. Same. Okay. So TS4 yet. Okay. So this is the positive or negative?
This is the positive.
This is the positive. It means she created this. So look at this. She has prepared an email ID. That's the where time goes. You have to prepare the test data. Any application, any requirement you do the testing, the first and foremost, you need to understand the requirement. The second is you need to prepare the test data. So she has prepared it behind the scene. So she provides the name and she provides the password. So now she is actually sending the execute. But it's stay there a little bit. Go up, 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 up. Before that, you see the cancel on the right top corner? It has to be tried out. Otherwise, it will not work. You have to click the try it out. So click cancel now. It will be like this. So click try it out. It has to be like this. When you see the try it out, then you see the interface. So now scroll down. So we got everything. You can clear it. It's application.json. And we discussed about all of this. Scroll down. The curl command is will be taking over. Don't worry about it. And then you see the true, and email is true. And then all the details has been sent from the backend server. Scroll down. It is 200. Code is 200. You see this? So everything is good, but it is not the testing we have done. It is just try it out because the functionality is tried out. So now we can take all of this to the Postman. So to the Postman, the curl command we can copy and we will take it to the Postman. Okay, copy it.